am so hungry. Actually, I am starving. And I decided to make my lunch and also record a video speaking English so I can learn some vocabularies and you can also learn some cooking vocabularies because I'm pretty sure that I would not know everything that I would use. So let's go. Tampa. I don't know how to say tampa. What a beautiful plate, guys. Parsley root.
Cenoura to peel a carrot.
Peel a carrot. Here we go. This is the peeler. Well, I have my iPad here, so I will open my translator and I will also watch a video in English. But first, let's learn some basic vocabularies. I will make a rice. I will descascar e ralar uma cenoura. I'm also frying mandioquinha. Okay, let's go. First, I'm going to take my carrot and I will also Google how to say fazer arroz because I'm not pretty sure if it is make rice. I will also make kale. So today I will eat rice, beans, carrot, kale, mandioquinha, and linguiça. That's it. Well, let's ask ChatGPT how to say fazer arroz, descascar cenoura, ralar cenoura, ralador, descascador. So basically I'm asking ChatGPT how can I say those things in English, and I will tell you guys, and during the video I will try to use those new vocabularies so I can actually learn them. It's to cook rice, it's not to make rice, but I thought it was wrong. To cook rice, to peel a carrot, I'll peel, eu sabia, peel, I knew it. Ralar is to grate a carrot. Grate? Wait, let's listen to it.
Fazer arroz, to cook rice.
To cook rice.
Descascar cenoura, to peel a carrot. Ralar
To peel a
cenoura,
carrot.
to grate a carrot.
To grate a
Fritar
carrot.
mandioquinha, to fry parsley root. To fry arracacha.
To fry parsley root? Parsley root? Parsley root. Well, let's go then. So first thing, I would take a bowl, a grater, and a peeler. Okay, this is the grater. And I have to take the peeler. Here we go. This is the peeler. And I will use this bowl. Let's go. I almost forgot that I have to make the rice first. So let's take a pan and I have to... Wait a minute, I will have to read it. I have to crush some garlic. So, socar alho. Well, that's it. So here's my pan. And I also have to take the tampa. I don't know how to say tampa. The pan lid. Pan lid. Okay, so now I have to crush some garlic. Yes, I remember. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to watch a video on YouTube, a cooking video, so I can also learn a new vocabulary. I just love watching videos in English when I'm doing my stuff. So when I'm taking a shower, I'm washing the dishes, when I'm cooking, I don't know, it's really important so I can have more contact with the language, you know? Garlic. Garlic. Before crushing the garlic, I have to peel it. So peel it. Oh my god, I'm loving this video. Okay, done. Since I was handling garlic, my hands smell like garlic right now. So I'm gonna wash my hands first and then I'm gonna make my rice. Cook my rice. I don't know. So now I'm gonna add the oil. First of all, just a little bit. And I will let the garlic fry a little. Can you see me, guys? I'm loving this video. Let's go. I am frying the garlic. And then I'm gonna add 2 cups of rice. Oh, wait a minute. Let me wait just a minute. 1, 2. And we don't water the rice in here, so we don't wash the rice. But I know that many people in Brazil used to wash the rice, but we don't. And now I'm gonna add salt and water. So while the rice cooks, I'm going to prepare my carrot, and I have to cut 2 parts of my carrot. Wait. Oh, I need to cut off both ends of the carrot. Oh, that's really interesting. I didn't know that. Can I show a knife in here? I don't know if I can show a knife in here, so I'm gonna cut it off and I'll be right back, okay? Now I'm gonna peel the carrot and then I'm going to grate it. let's go.
North Avenue.
Now I'm gonna wash the kale and then slice it. I have to eat kale every day because I have anemia. And I have to take my medicine. Oh gosh, I almost forgot. Wait a minute. I always thought that it was to cut the kale because we say cut the meat. But no, it is to slice the kale. Don't ask me why, I have no idea. But actually, it makes more sense because we don't cut like in quarters. We cut in slices. So that's why it's slice the kale. Actually, it makes more sense. Guys, I hate cooking. Like, literally, I hate cooking. I don't like doing it. If I could, I would order food every single day. But I can't because it's not healthy. And I just can't spend that amount of money with food. But if I could, I would. Now I just have to wait till the rice finish cooking, my beans. I will make my kale. I'll make the kale. And my sausage and mandioquinha are finished already. And I use this one. And I don't know how to say mandioca in English, and I prefer saying mandioquita. I don't care. So that's it. Let's wait. And I'll be right back. That's it, guys. Now I'm gonna take my food and have my lunch at exactly 3:30 p.m. Yup, that's life. So I took my plate, my knife, and my fork. Basically, that's it. I don't like to eat beans. That's why I have anemia. I don't like it. But I have to eat it anyway, so what can I do, right? Let's take my sausage and I Google how to say mandioquita. Wait a minute. How can I say mandioquinha mesmo?
Arracacha, pronúncia aproximada.
Arracacha.
Também pode
Arracacha.
aparecer.
No. I prefer saying mandioquita. What a beautiful plate, guys. Oh, take a look at this beautiful plate. Amazing. I'm gonna watch a video on YouTube in English, of course. Don't forget to watch another video of mine. And I really hope you guys like this video. Like my video, hype my video, subscribe on my channel. And for today, that's just it. Kisses and bye. I really hope you guys like it. Bye.